Welcome to our new video tutorial. So this time, we will make a power inverter 12v DC to 220v AC. So this time we have a schematic diagram for power inverter. So in this schematic diagram, we have a electronic component, power MOSFET, we have a 2 power MOSFET, we have a 4 330 ohms resistor, and we have a power supply, maybe a 12 volts battery or 12 volts laptop charger, and we have a transformer, center top transformer 12012, and also especially a load for testing. In power MOSFET, we have a 3 terminal gate, drain, and source. So one of the application of power MOSFET is fast switching. In the transformer, we have a 2 turns, secondary turns and primary turns. So this is the section of low voltage 12012, and this is the section of 220 volts AC. So obviously this section is for high voltage. So for the summary of working principle of this power inverter, when the gate of the power MOSFET, we will apply a positive voltage, the power MOSFET will on state. So obviously this other power MOSFET, when we applied a positive voltage, the power MOSFET will on state. So if the power MOSFET will on state, the current flow can flow to drain to source or source to drain. In the contrary, when these two power MOSFET will not apply a positive voltage in the gate terminal, the power MOSFET will off state. So current flow can't flow in this section, in the drain and into the source. One of the common application of power MOSFET is fast switching. When this power MOSFET will off, this power MOSFET will on. When this power MOSFET will off, this power MOSFET will on. They are alternately on and off. The typical AC waveform are sinusoidal waveform. To zero voltage, this is the typical waveform of AC. So this is the sinusoidal waveform that we get from alternator, and the waveform of the electricity in the power inverter are from zero voltage. So when this MOSFET will on, the waveform will goes up, and when this power MOSFET will off, the waveform will go down. And when this power MOSFET will on, the waveform will going up again. And they are alternately on and off. So the waveform of the power inverter are roughly sawtooth waveform, just like this. So this is the waveform of that we get in alternator, and this is the waveform that we get in the power inverter. When this power MOSFET will on, the current flow will flow in this section, and when this power MOSFET will off, this power MOSFET will on. So the current flow will flow in this section. The coil in the primary turns will induce a voltage to the secondary turns from low voltage to high voltage. So this is the reason why the power inverter can produce or can convert a low voltage to high voltage. So when this transformer will induce a high voltage 220 volts AC, we can get a power electricity that we can use as a power supply in any load, light bulb, electric fan. So this is the summary of working principle of power inverter. So let's proceed to the constructing of power inverter.